John, and welcome back. And this tutorial, we are going to be showing you how to use code tags in HTML. And let me quickly give you a hint or a brief explanation of how it works. So maybe inside your website, you are definitely teaching how to write code, or you are definitely showing someone how to do something or how to fix a bug. And you definitely have given a brief explanation about it inside a few paragraph tag, and then you want to show him the sample of the code. So the best way to show the sample of the code is to use the code tag because it's going to format in a way that will look a little bit like a code actually. So now the first thing to do here is to open a new folder. So I'm going to show you how it works practically. So let's say code tag, and I should just be able to open this up inside my code editor. And then after it's open up, I can create a new index.html file, index.html, and then I should close this also, bring out the normal HTML template and change the title here to code tag. Yes, I can just have a H1 or H6 that say this is how to declare a variable variable in HTML. No, declare variable in JavaScript. So we don't do that in HTML. So my bad. So and then I just want to open up this inside my browser and then paste this here. So this is our H6 that say this is how to declare a variable inside HTML. Let me make it bigger so you can see it. Yeah, so this is how to declare a variable in JavaScript. So the next thing to do here is I want to show them how to do that, not just by text. So I want to just add a code tag, and then I can just say var the name of the, let me say, var age should be equals to 45 or 46, and then I just close this up. So I define a variable called age and I give it a value of 40, and you don't need to exactly understand how it works now for the variable. Maybe you haven't get to JavaScript yet, but don't worry, if you get to JavaScript, you are going to understand it better. So and I save it up and check my browser, and you can see now it's formatted it in a way that it looks more better. You see there's difference between using the H6 tag and this code tag because this actually look like a code. So I believe you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.